This tutorial will show you how to download Metamask for use with Dexalot. Metamask is an application that allows you to manage account keys and transfer Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies. To download Metamask, go to metamask.io and click Download. We'll be installing it for Chrome, but it does work for other browsers as well. Here we'll be installing it as an extension. Again, it might be a little different for other browsers, but we'll do Chrome for our purposes. And in a second, we should get a new screen. And here, just click Get Started. Now, if you already have a wallet, you can import one, but we're obviously creating a new one. So we'll hit Create a Wallet. No thanks. And here you'll create a password. I'm just going to do something random because it's a tutorial. Okay, and you're going to want to watch this video, but we'll be skipping it. Here it will give you a secret recovery phrase. It's important to write this down somewhere secure and not show it to anybody, because if you do lose access to your account for whatever reason, this is the only way to recover it. We're not going to need it because we're not going to be using this account for anything. And now we have MetaMask installed. Now we can go to Dexalot.com, go to the application, I'm going to reload it quickly. And here, connecting is as easy as selecting Connect to a Wallet. Select MetaMask, you'll get a pop-up. Approve, switch to the network. Next and connect. You might need to reload 1 or 2 times for it to take. Connect the wallet, MetaMask, and we're connected. So now you can start trading on Dexalot once you fund your MetaMask with whatever funds you're going to be using, and then transfer funds from your MetaMask to your Dexalot portfolio. And there will be videos linked below on how to do that.